Hi everyone, it's Mandy, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about my hair waver that I purchased on Amazon the other day. I did a blog post about this hair waver and I linked it there. I can link that for you as well so you can get the link to it, but basically it's this hair waver. It's made by Allure on the side, and it's a digital hair waver, so it's got this digital screen. Right now it says off. And then you can set it to whatever setting you want, and it's in Celsius, not Fahrenheit. This is kind of what it looks like. It's kind of crazy looking. It kind of reminds me when I had a crimper back in the 90s, but it's not quite as crimpy. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you how I wave my hair. I just got out of the shower. I added some things to my hair because my hair is so straight and so fine and so flat. So today I used Rock Your Hair Get a Lift Volumizing Spray, and then I used Bedhead's Small Talk, and this is a thickening serum type thing, and this is what this looks like. And then lastly I sprayed Cheese 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protecting Spray just to kind of protect my hair from frying it because I curl it pretty much daily, so I do a lot of damage. Go ahead and get started and show how you do this. First, you're gonna section off your hair. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this hair waver, you're gonna flip it upside down, again with the handle down, and you're gonna grab it and just, you're not going all the way up to the roots, maybe like an inch down, and just clamp on it and let it sit there for a bit. I feel like it needs to sit there a little bit longer on my hair. Everyone's hair is different, but I let it sit there for a bit. I'm leaving some of this hang out. And then you've got like this little wave right here. Then I might come down a little bit more, but I still kind of leave a little bit, it's hard to see, a little bit of the end out because I want the ends a little bit straight. So basically, this is the wave that you get. So now I'm gonna do the other side. Same thing with it down. There we go. So you see, and this, that leaves this end piece kind of curling in a bit. If you flip it up the other way, it kind of flips out, and I just didn't want my pieces slipping out. Some people will alternate. It's totally up to you. You can do that for a different look, but so far it's worked well for me to just leave it underneath. All right, I'm gonna take a section right about my eyebrow or eye line. Again, upside down. And you can see how far away from my head it is. I have this much left out, so I probably will go down one more time on this so you can see. And I do have to leave it on there a bit, probably longer than I would like with my other curling iron. I feel like it's a little, maybe a little bit hotter and I can go a little bit quicker, but this takes a little bit longer. And then I slide it down kind of where I can see where it would hit the next curve. And again, I like to leave this little end piece out. So you can see this wave right here. I'm gonna clamp it right about here and wait. Okay, so there's that wave. All right, so I'm gonna go around my head and speed this up a bit for you. This is kind of a big section right here. I've thought about splitting it, but I think it might be too small right here. So I'm gonna try to do this all in one section right here. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Again, watch your ears, don't burn your ears. And you can see how this was a loop, and then I slid it down to this next loop. So it's kind of a nice gradual wave. It's not, there's not any like breakup in the wave to it, if that makes sense. All right, next section is up here, kind of right at the top of my temples. These things are great if you don't have like a nice little salon alligator type clip. I would get one because they're great at holding your hair. Okay, next section is just gonna be like from here back. Not all the way back, because whatever's back here is gonna come down. Twist it up in a little bit of little top knot. And this is really only gonna get it once because it's not very long up here. It's a little bit shorter on my hair. So of course that will all, you know, will all depend on your hair and your length of hair. This is the back section, like straight in the back. So you're like, oh, how do you get the back of your head? Hold it straight up, okay? Hold it straight up and do that. That's probably the easiest way that you can get the back of your head. And it should all blend together well. Okay, so you see, this is kind of where my volume comes from. So I got this last section on the top. Some people like to wear their hair parted down the middle when they wave it. My hair does not look good parted down the middle, and I feel like I get self-conscious about my nose as it is. So I like to do nice little kind of side part. So I usually part over here, probably because I'm left-handed. If I was right-handed, I probably would part over there. And we'll see how it's gonna go on the top here, because this could be the most important part. All right, I'm gonna take this section and I'm gonna go down probably to about here, because I don't want it too super close right there, and we'll see how that looks. Now we're up to our last section. Hooray! Last section. And I'm gonna split it in two pieces. I'm gonna go a little bit closer on this top here so I get a little bit of volume on the top, because I like volume. And I'll probably add some like root lifting powder or something like that, or maybe some dry shampoo at the roots to get more lift once we're done here. But open the clamp, see how you move it, and just kind of boop, settles down to the next part. That's how you keep everything nice and continuous. There we go. Okay, so let that cool, because you want it to cool so that curl stays. This side's pretty much cool. So I'm just going to lightly run my fingers through it, ever so lightly. And if you see anything that's like real straight and you don't like maybe this end right here, just clamp it again. Get it to how you like it. So this is what it would look like if I didn't put that top part up. It's not bad. What I really want to do is try to get some volume in here. So what I'm going to do is get a good dry shampoo. My two favorites are this one right here, the volumizing dry shampoo, Batiste instant hair. This is the volumizing one, very important though. So you can kind of grab underneath where you want and kind of spray it and kind of work it. Okay, so I'm going to take the dry shampoo. My other favorite dry shampoo that I like is Bedhead's OB Hive. It looks like this. It smells really good too. So you can take like a section and just kind of spray at your roots. And also, if you want some more volume up here, you can kind of just bring your part over like this. So it's a little more center, like that. Lift, spray. Dry shampoo is great and it smells really, really good. So this is kind of what it would look like if I didn't put the center up, which I'm not the most fond of. It's okay, but really what I want to do is put this center piece up. All right, so I could leave it like this, huh? This is very 90s. I had to go find bobby pins because where do bobby pins go? What black hole do bobby pins get sucked into? I will never know. So again, grab this section, come down a little bit, bump it forward to your liking. I put my bobby pin in this way, across like this, straight across. Then I grab a second bobby pin upside down like this and go over top of it in like an X. See if you can see that. Now I have to spray my hair so these waves stay because my hair doesn't like to hold curl for very long. This is Big Sexy Hair's Spray and Play. It's a volumizing hairspray. Looks like that. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you get this iron for yourself. It's on Amazon. This is not a sponsored post. Everything that you saw in here, I purchased myself, but give it a try. Let me know your thoughts. If you've got a better way to do it, let me know. Share that stuff with me. It's always nice to find, you know, different ways of doing things and different curls and for your hair and different styles, and please share away. So I hope you guys like this. Please let me know in the comments if I can do some more hair tutorials like this, or if you like this, or if you didn't. Either way, let me know. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.